but well, look at this. Hey, may I assist you? Moving upstairs. Here we have a gray wall. Why are the lights off? They're usually nighttime, it's like super cool. We have black fake flowers, because I don't think they're black real flowers or whatever. Such a big house. Guest room. Ta-da! This is our guest room, so if we have a guest and they want to sleep here, they sleep here. It's like made out of so much wooden stuff. It's really cool. The lamp, the mirror, this thing, everything kind of. And it has like these weird eggs. I don't get them, but they're like, literally, they're eggs. You don't have to get it really. They also have a pretty cool closet, even though I have no idea why it's that big for a guest. I mean, how long are they planning on staying? And a small little cute bathroom with a sink shower. Yeah, cool, right? Hang on. You can turn the other way if you wanna. Okay. So, this is like the biggest room I think we have in the house. Like bedroom. This is my sister's room. Not gonna say whom because I don't know if she wants me to tell or not. But this is a little cute princessy room. So cute and stuff. Yeah. I really love the table because it says like love. And she has a pretty cool view down to the pool. What is dope. I love her bathroom and her closet. Just show that. This is her closet. Damn, right? If we would have the same style, I could steal so much from her, but we don't really wear the same stuff. This is her bathroom. Really dope. I love the bathtub. The view is not that cool. There's like another house. Fuck it. Same shower. Beautiful showers we have here. Yeah. Stop. You don't leave. Good. Yeah. That's like her room. And from her room, you can look down there. That's pretty cool. Imagine there are like people come, she can just stop them. Oh, I know who's here. But we have also a cool thing in our room as well. Sorry. Here. Look down. This is like a really cool room we have in here. Dun, 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 dun. It's a spa room. Yes, people. We have a spa room. And we even have this thing. Right? Admit. It's not. A Buddha. Massage thingy. I don't know. It's like stuff you need for a massage room. I don't get this though. Like, what is that supposed to do? Seduce you? Here we have a small balcony. Just gonna help you. And a small bathroom again. Got this same shower. What are these showers called? I know I'm German, but I don't know English.
Let's go.
Now to our room. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna try to be more detailed in here. This is mine and my boyfriend's room behind the camera. Yeah, we we're trying to put effort in this room. Like we bought a few new things I will show you. But like a lot of stuff was in here already, like this beautiful lamp, the couch. We bought the teddy bear. And I think this is really cool. We didn't realize it like after 2 weeks or something we were here. We just looked what was actually on the frame. We were like, what the hell, that's so cool. So yeah, this is where I do my videos or where he works. Pictures, cute little pictures. That's me when I was super small. That was in Vegas for Christmas. That was, I think in Dubai with my grandparents. Where was that? Was that in LA or in Berlin? I think in Berlin. And then in Berlin too. I'm not sure though. Like, we have candles. We have a lot of candles. We love candles. Here's a picture of us in San Francisco. Yeah, we travel a lot. We're tried to. And this is so cute. Look at this. I don't know what you need this for. Doesn't even really show, but it's so cool. I know. Love it. Okay, let's go this way. Cause like, this DVR thing was already in here, so we don't really know what it means or what it's supposed to do. Another candle. We got this from Oki. We got this from Rome, obviously, I guess. Here we were in Wild Body. It was also really cool. Closet. You can see my closet. It's fine. I have nothing to hide. Clothes, shoes, clothes, dresses, shoes. Like, bags are up there. This is also mine, right? Yeah. No. A few more clothes. There's like a little TV we don't want to have. And shoes. Yeah. This is Lars. You want me to show them or not? No. I get it. It's fine. This is our really cool bed we have. And we have like these little cute lamps that we put on every night. And we have, let me. And we have this. So cool. This lamp is not working, but still, okay. It's pretty dope. Another little lamp. I'll just keep it on, why not? Then we bought this new because we are gonna put a TV on here so we can watch TV at night, obviously. I love our lamp. It was here already. I think it's so dope. Then we just have weird stuff in here. This is mine. Just a few sunglasses. I don't know what's this, Louis, Versace, Gucci, Michael Kors, Dior, whatever, like sunglasses. Stuff you don't need. Yeah, this is another pair of shoes. This is where I keep most of my makeup. Some makeup I still have in my luggage because I just came back from visiting my sister. But I do my makeup here. I have my light thing I need because the lighting in here sucks. I don't know why, but it does. This is my camera that we're just using. Yeah, this is me. For here, we want to buy like something so we can cover this because this looks like really ugly. But we're gonna figure something out. We bought this new mirror. It's cool, right? Yeah, thank you. We have this. So so cool. Because when we want to watch TV, but we're not sure if someone's watching, we just look down and we know who's there. Come on, that's cool. And sometimes when I'm too lazy and he's chilling downstairs, I'm just like, babe, can you pass me some water? And he just throws it up and I catch it. That's cool, right? This is our bathroom. So cool. Yes. This is my sink, kind of, and this is his sink. But like, here's our perfume. Oops. And some candles, because we love candles. I love plants in the bathroom, it looks really dope. Here is where we have some other stuff you need for stuff. Toothbrushes, 2 masks, gold mask and charcoal mask, another mask. Yes. This is our laundry bag. Don't have to look inside. This is our shower. Just show them. There's a lot on there. It's also broken. Gotta fix a lot of stuff. This is where I shower or take my bath because I hate showering, so this is where I am always, every day, every single day. Here is stuff inside. Where we need toilet, and we have this. This is so cool. This is like made of towel thingy, whatever. And like when you're done showering or when I'm just waiting for him to shower, just play and be like, babe, how long do you need? It's so cool. And usually we have a thingy on the ground, but it's in the laundry, so yeah, that's like it for our room. Love our room because it suits us, I guess.